The role of plant health care in commercial and residential landscapes is to preserve the aesthetics of the landscape and to protect the long-term investment in the property. Most common landscape shrubs and trees will live for 50 years or more with proper care. And in the absence of care, most plants are in a persistent state of decline. Managing pests, keeping up with soil chemistry, and maintaining proper structural care are the best ways to ensure healthy growth and longevity at a fraction of the cost of replacing plants. In general, the cost of protecting a plant is less than 10% of the cost of replacing a plant. And each year that plants thrive in the landscape, they become more valuable.